Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can manage access to a video clip. For example, to manage the access of video editor to the given video project you share on Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. So navigate to your video project through the video editor on Clipchamp, and here in the top right, guys, next to the preview window, you will see the share button. Click into it and choose manage access. Wait for a brief moment, and after that you will see who has access to the given, who has been given access to the given video project here under people. So you will see also the status of the given user. So you may click into start sharing here and then invite someone to the video project through this invitational link or via email. Click into send here, or use that link here, and after that you may also click into that pencil icon to the right before you send the invitation actually, and set the accessibility level, like can edit, can view, or go into the sharing settings here and decide, for example, set an expiration date for the editing accessibility, set a password, and so on and so forth, and decide who you'd like to share the given video project with. For example, anyone with access to the link or only selected users. And that's it, guys. So click into apply here. Let me remove or go back to the previous menu. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.